Now is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry of 2 dimension. The coordinate geometry of 2 dimension, for this we need 2 axes. One is horizontal and the other is vertical, and we say this as x-axis and this as y-axis, and this we say origin O. So this is x dash, and this is y dash. So any point here, if it is AB, this means this from we draw here on perpendicular, then this is A, this distance is A, and this distance is B. This is A, this is B. Means what? Distance of the point from x-axis is B and distance of the point from y-axis is A. Or you can say A is A unit, a distance along when we measure along x-axis, and it is B a distance B when we measure along y-axis. And this coordinate system we say Cartesian coordinate system. This is Cartesian system. Another system is there. It is polar system. Here we need one ray starting from a point. This we say initial line, and this is a pole. So any point here, its coordinate we say it is r theta. Means what? Distance of the point from this we say a pole. This is the pole. So distance of the point from the pole, it is r. This is r, and when we measure the angle along this anti-clockwise direction from the initial line, so this angle is theta. So this system is polar coordinate. So it is polar coordinate system and it is Cartesian coordinate system. And we can now do one thing. This is in Cartesian system. We join from this origin to the point. If we imagine this x-axis OX as the initial line and O as the pole, then what we have? This is O, from O to this point. This is R, and this is R, and this is theta. We can write like this. So AB is equivalent to the point r theta, or this is r theta. You can consider this as origin. So we draw one vertical line here and we extend to the opposite direction. So we can consider this as x-axis, this as y-axis. Then if we say this as the point AB, so Cartesian, this is Cartesian, this is polar, this is Cartesian, this is polar, r theta. So relation is this, we say r is equal to root over a square plus b square, root over a square plus b square, and theta is tan inverse of b by a, because tan theta is b by a from this triangle. And so when we are given a and b, we can make this r, we can find r and theta. And if r and theta are given, then we say a is equal to r cos theta and b is equal to r sin theta. So this is transformation from Cartesian to polar and polar to Cartesian. Now we say distance between 2 points. So distance between 2 points, this is x-axis, y-axis, Cartesian system. So this is a point A, this is a point B. So if coordinate of A is x1, y1 and coordinate of B is x2, y2, then what we see, we can form a rectangle whose diagonal is AB. So A is means what? This distance is x1, this distance is x2, means if it's AB, if it is C, then AC is equal to x2 minus x1 and BC is equal to y2 minus y1. And AB will be, it is the diagonal of this right angle triangle. So AB is AC square plus BC square root over. So what we have here, AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root over. Means what? Distance between 2 points A and B is given by root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance between 2 points. Suppose this is a point A, this is a point B. So this is AB, R is a point here, R divides AB in the ratio m is to n. Means what? AR by BR is equal to m by n. So R divides AB in the ratio m is to n. And one thing is, R is in between A and B, so this is internal division. Means R divides AB in the ratio m is to n. Internally, we say internally. And if A is here, say B is here, this is A, this is B, say B. Suppose R is here, R is this. So R is lying in extended AB. So AR is to BR is m is to n. Then we say this is for external division. This is external division. So here R divides AB in the ratio externally. Now if a and b are given, so when a and b are given, so a is the point x1 y1 and b is the point x2 y2. Ratio is m is to n. Then for internal division, R is R alpha beta is, so how we write it? Alpha is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and beta is my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this is for internal division. And for external division, so like this is external division. R is outside AB, in the extended AB. Then alpha is given by, alpha is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, and beta is my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So what we are having, this is division, external division, internal division. These are Cartesian and polar coordinate, and distance between 2 points AB is this one. So if we are to find, suppose find distance between, find distance between say 2 4 and -2 -6. So what we'll have, so x1 x2 is 2 4, x1 y1 is 2 4, x2 y2 is -2 -6. So distance is, so if this is the point A, this is the point B, then AB is given by root over 2 minus 2, it is 2 plus 2, it is 4 square, plus 4 minus 6, it is 4 plus 6, it is 10 square, and it is root over 116. If it is 116 means is 4 into 29, we can write 2 root over, so we can write it as 2 root over 29, like this. So this is the way to find distance between 2 points. Similarly, if we are to find ratio, suppose some point R is dividing this AB in the ratio say 3:2, then what we'll have means m is 3, n is 2. So just put the values here and we have the coordinate of R. So this is the way to find this. So these are some examples here. So divide the line joining 2 3 and 4 1 in the ratio 3:4 internally, externally. So number 2, what you can do, so 2 3 and 4 1, so 2 1 internally. For internal division it is, so AB it is r alpha beta, r alpha beta. So r alpha is given by 3 into 4 3 into 4 plus 4 into 2 divided by 3 plus 4 is equal to, it is 8 plus 12, it is 20 by 7, and beta is given by 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3 and it is 4 into 3, it is 3 by 4. So it is 3 plus 12, it is 15 by 7. This is for internal division, and for external division it will be, for external division it is alpha is given by 3 into 4 mx2 minus nx1, 4 into 2 divided by 3 minus 4, and beta is 3 into 1 minus 4 into 3 divided by 3 minus 4. So this one is 12 minus 8, it is minus 4, and this is 3 minus 12 minus 9 by minus 1, so it is 9. So it is the point minus 4, 9. So if we draw the figure, this is 3 4 2 3 is this point, 2 3 is somewhere here, 2 3 4 1, it is 4 1, it is somewhere here. Then 20 by 7 is 2 point something, and 15 by 7 is, so 2 point something, so means this is somewhere here. 3 is to 4, so it will be some in between a and b, and minus 4 9 means, so minus 4 9, so this is external division, it is extended part. So this is the way to find the this. Next, joining the divide the joining this and this in the ratio 2:1, same procedure. Then this number 4, how can we do it? Number 4, so let's say number 4, collinearity. So collinearity, to prove collinearity, 3 points are collinear. So 3 points are collinear. What to do? So distance, suppose A, B, C are there. This is a point, this is a point, this is a point. Then they are collinear, they lie on a line. Suppose they are not collinear. If they are not collinear, then this will be here, this will be here, this will be here, like this. So we cannot have a line containing these 3 points. Means what? They will go in different direction and it will make a triangle. Means what? When there are 3 points, either they are collinear or they will form a triangle. If they are collinear, then this is A. So sum of the lengths of the two shorter segments is equal to the longest one. So in this way also we can prove that ABC are collinear, or also we can prove that if they are not collinear, means they are forming a triangle. So they are forming a triangle means we will have some area of this, area of the triangle. So area of triangle, there is some formula for area of triangle. So this formula is area of a triangle. So if A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2, and C is x3 y3. Then area of the triangle ABC is equal to half. This is a formula. Then x1 y2 minus x2 y1 plus x2 y3 minus x3 y2 plus x3 y1 minus x1 y3. So this is the formula of a triangle. So we will be given the coordinates of the vertices, and we can put this here and we will find the area of the triangle. So to prove that 3 points are collinear, what you can do, either we can find the length of this distance between the three, so in between A and B, B and C, and A and C, and we can add this shorter segments. If it is equal to the longest one, then they are collinear, or we can find the area. So in two ways you can do it. So if we see this one, suppose we say they are not collinear. We say ABC are not collinear. So A, its coordinate is 1 2, B, its coordinate is -4 3, and C, its coordinate is 11 0. ABC are vertices of a triangle. Vertices of a triangle. Then area ABC is given by ABC is equal to half of, then we say x1 y2, so 1 into 3 minus 2 into -4, it is 8, minus 8 is plus 8, then plus -4 into 0, it is 0, minus 11 into 3, it is 33, then plus 11 into x3 y1, so 11 into 2, it is 22, minus 0 into 1, it is 0, minus 0. So we are having this value is 0. Answer is 0. Means what? Area of the triangle is 0, means we cannot have a triangle, means they are collinear. Also, if we find AB, what is AB? AB is equal to root over 1 plus 1 minus -4, it is plus 5, so it is 5 square, plus 2 minus 3, it is 1 square. This is equal to root over 26. Then BC is equal to -4 minus 11, it is -14 square, or it is 14 square. 14 square plus 3 minus 0, it is 3 square. How much it is? 14 square is 196. 196 plus 9, it is 225. 225. Uh, 196 plus 9, it is 205. 205. and 205. Then AC is root over 1 minus 10, it is 11, it is 10 square, plus 2 minus 0, it is 2 square. So this is equal to 104, it is 104. So 104, if we divide by, it is 4 into 26. So 104 means it is 2 root over 26. And this one is this 9 no 3 11 15. Oh sorry, this is not 15 square, this is not 14, this is 15 square. 15 square, sorry, this is 15 square, so it is 225. BC is root over minus 4 minus L minus 15 is 15 square. 15 square plus 3 square is equal to 225 plus 9, it is 234. 234 is 9 into root over 9 into 26. So 9 square root, it will come out, so it is 3 root over 26. So what you see, AB is root over 26, AC is 2 into root over 26, and BC is 3 into root over 26, and we are getting AB plus AC is equal to BC. Means what? These are collinear. So this is the way to prove collinearity of any 3 points, either in this method or this method. Next is number 6. Number 6, it is to find the area whose vertices are given. So we just apply this result, this formula, this one, so we can find area of the triangles. Just as we have done here, area ABC. Here we get it 0 because the points are collinear, that is why. So this formula, so 0 4. So number 1 was the area, it is ABC, so 6 1, it is half of, area is half of, it is x1 y2, so 0 into 6, it is 0 minus 12, plus 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 6 into minus 8, plus 48, then plus minus 8 into 4, it is minus 32, minus 8 into 4, x3 y1, and minus 2 into 0, it is 0. So answer is, this is equal to half, then it is minus 12 minus 6 minus 18, minus 18 minus 32, it is minus 50, minus 50 plus 48. So it is minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So area, we cannot write negative value for area, so we just write area is equal to 1 unit. Unit means it it means whatever be the unit. This maybe square centimeter. If unit means it depends on the unit of the length, but value is this. So because we are having -1, so we write the positive value. So this is the way to find these values. Next, number 7, it is if the area of this be twice the area of DBC, then find the value of x. So ABC, these are vertices, then DBC, these are the vertices, and we'll have some equation, we can find it. Then these are parallelogram. We have to prove that this is a parallelogram. So parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. So A, B, C, D, we find all this, and so actually if we plot the points, it is more, it will be more clear. So suppose we are plotting the points. Number 8 we see, number 8. So when we plot the points, this is 0 0 is 1 point, then 4 3 is 1 point, 4 3 is somewhere here, this 4 3. So we say this is O, this is A, 3 5 3 4 is here, so 3 5 5 is here, so this is B, and -1 2 it is here, so this is C. So OA, this is O, this is A, this is B, this is C. So this is, so we find, so we need to prove BA equal to OC and OA is equal to BC, and find the lengths of the diagonals. So diagonals are AC and OB. So distance between A and C, it will be diagonal. Distance between O and B, it will be another diagonal. So like this is the way to do this thing. So these points are vertices of a square. Same procedure, we plot the points, then what we need to do, all sides are equal, and diagonals are also equal, otherwise it may be a rhombus. So this is the way to do these things. The vertices of two triangles are this respectively, so that they have the same area and same coordinate, same centroid. So centroid is the so this is a triangle, this is a triangle. So centroid means the medians. So A, B, C. So if coordinates are given, then we can find median. Median means it divides midpoints. So if it is x2, this is x3 y3, x3 y3, this is x2 y2, y2, then this point is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 2, this is y2 plus y3 by 2. So we can find the coordinate of this. So A, say it is D, so AD is the median. So centroid is that point which divides this AD in the ratio 2:1. So this is Z is the centroid. So Z divides the median in the ratio 2:1, means AZ is to DZ is equal to 2:1. So CF also, it is a median. So CF, so Z divides CF in the ratio 2:1. Similarly BE, so Z divides this in the ratio 2:1. So this Z, coordinate of Z, so centroid is given by, so centroid, So formula for centroid is writing here. So formula for centroid is, so centroid of triangle ABC is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is centroid. So these coordinates are given 3 0 0 7 1 1. So centroid of this is 3 plus 0 plus 1 4. So it is 4 by 3 and this is 8 by 3. Here 13 plus 2, it is 15 minus 11, it is 4 by 3, and this is 3 plus 3 plus 2 divided, it is 8 by 3. So centroids are equal, same, centroids are same. So area, we can find this using that formula. So these are the, so these are polar coordinate lay down the points. -2, -1. Change it to polar coordinate. Change it to polar coordinate is, it is x is equal to y is equal to, so number 1 is 14 1, y is equal to x tan alpha. So we need to write x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. So tan alpha is equal to y by x is equal to, y by x is tan alpha, tan theta. So it is r sin theta, r cos theta, r goes, it is tan theta is equal to tan theta, and we can write it as theta is equal to alpha. Then number 2 is x square plus y square. So x is equal to r cos theta, so in place of x square we write r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta whole square is equal to a square, then it is r square cos square theta minus r square sin square theta. So this implies r square is taken common, is r to the power 4, and cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, so it is 1 square is equal to a square r square, and cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos twice theta. Cos twice theta means what? R square goes, so its polar coordinate is, now we write r square is equal to a square cos of twice theta. So this is converted to polar coordinate. Similarly x square, so x square is equal to 4xy plus y square. So this will be, so number 3, x square is r square cos square theta equal to 4xy, it is r cos theta r sin theta plus y square is r square sin square theta. So r square you can cancel it out. So what we have, cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 4 cos theta sin theta, or you may write 2 sin theta, 2 into 2 sin theta, 4 is we are writing as 2 sin theta cos theta, because 2 sin theta cos theta is sin twice theta. So this is cos twice theta, left hand side is cos twice theta, right hand side is 2 sin twice theta. No r is here. Or we can write 2 tan twice theta is equal to 1. So this is the way to do this. Just write x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and we have this. Then this is change into Cartesian coordinates. R square sin twice theta is equal to 2. So r square sin twice theta so r square sin twice theta, we write it as this. Number 1, it is r square into then 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2a square. So r sin theta is y, r cos theta is x. So this implies 2 goes, so it is xy. Xy is equal to a square. This is r equal to 4. Number 2. Number 2, r is equal to 4 means what? R is equal to 4 root over x square plus y square is equal to 4, or we write x square plus y square is equal to 4 square, it is 16. This is theta is equal to 45. Theta means tan inverse xy. Number 3, it is tan inverse y by x is equal to 45 degree. So tan of 45 degree is 1. So this implies y by x is equal to tan of 45 degree is equal to 1. So this means x is equal to y. So in this way we do this. Similarly, r square is equal to, so what we write here, number 4, so in place of r square we write x square plus y square is equal to cos twice theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta, or what we may write here, if we do here r square by r square, r square by r square, it is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So r cos theta is x square, r sin theta is y square, and r square is, so r square we take to left hand side, so this we write x square plus y square whole square is equal to, it is r square cos square theta is x square minus y square. So this is this problem. So this is the way to solve this. Thanks. And then so this is all about Cartesian and polar system. Another thing is here, we can when we speak about this division, when we speak about this division, suppose a line, there is a line segment. Suppose the line segment, so this is a point this is a point here. Suppose we are asked to find where it meets x-axis or y-axis. Say this is A, x1, y1, this is B, x2, y2. If we are asked to find the point where it meets x-axis, so where it meets x-axis, so it meets x-axis somewhere, so this is R, then its coordinate, y coordinate will be 0, so it will be alpha 0. And if it meets in the y-axis, if it meets in the y-axis, then at this point R dash, then x coordinate is 0, 0 beta. So this is the x-axis, this is x-axis, x-axis, and this is y-axis. So means what? 0 will be equal to, for R it is 0 will be equal to m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. And for this R dash, 0 will be, this is R dash, 0 will be equal to mx2 plus nx1 is equal to 0. So in this way you can find the value of, because y1 y2 will be given, so we can find the ratio m and n. So this is all about ratio, proportion, Cartesian system, polar system, and distance between 2 points.